And welcome back. Joining us today is Andrew Jagum. He's the Director of Sports Medicine Research with Mayo Clinic Health System. And today we're talking about the upcoming Youth Sports Safety Symposium. So what is the symposium?
So we're getting together with several of our sport medicine physicians and even colleagues over at the University of Wisconsin Lacrosse and their athletics program. And we're putting on an educational event for parents, coaches, even athletes in the area to just learn about some of the recent trends, some of the risks that we see with youth sports and some of the problems that we're starting to see with kind of the spike in youth sport injuries.
So will there be new research or studies presented at the symposium then?
Yep, so we're going to highlight some of the recent research that's been done in that area. We'll even kind of propose some of the ideas that we have to kind of tackle some of these topics locally within our community, and then also kind of gather feedback from the parents and coaches at that time to just ask what we can do within our community to get involved, to educate others on this topic, and really just kind of help promote safe sport practices within our youth.
So what kind of injuries or what kind of new research is coming out about injuries beyond just maybe concussions or things like that?
A lot of it kind of points towards the sport specialization, where we see a lot of overuse injuries in athletes where they're doing kind of the same sport either continuously throughout the year or they're playing on multiple teams, so they're just at higher risk for some of those overuse related injuries. So we're just trying to educate people on some of the dangers of doing that and really promote best practices, meaning participating in multiple sports, not being afraid to take a season off, and just kind of be engaged in overall activity throughout the year.
So where and when will this symposium take place?
The symposium is going to be October 12th at the Radisson Center downtown. We have a series of presentations that will take place in the morning, and then following that event we actually have kind of a youth sport day at the University of Wisconsin Lacrosse leading up to their football game at 1 o'clock. So lots of opportunities for families and kids to get involved with different games and just kind of sporting related activities throughout the day.
That sounds great. Hey, thanks so much for dropping by. And